Hi friends, I'm Kirak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add the future tags on your Tumblr application on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to add a future tag on your Tumblr account on your Tumblr application, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the setting option on the top. After clicking on the setting option, you have this option called future tag here. So just here, just click on this. After clicking this here, you can just add a future tag. For an example, I just need about the tech. So just going to add as tech. You can see the suggestion on the bottom. So you just can add more future tag show. After adding the tech future tag, click on the done option. Now you can also check whenever you just need it. You can also remove the future tag by just clicking on this. You have this X mark on the top. So I just need to remove this. Just click this. That's it, and click on done. This is how we just add a future tag on your Tumblr account on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.